How to log into Pinterest account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide on the easy way to sign into your Pinterest account. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch the Pinterest application on your device. Make sure you have installed the latest version of Pinterest to explore the more features of Pinterest. Once you launch the application, you will get access to this kind of interface that is the welcome screen of Pinterest, where you can easily log in to the Pinterest account using the email address. If you have associated your accounts to Facebook and Google, you can also continue with Facebook and continue with Google to log into Pinterest. For now, let's enter the email address. Once you enter the email address, tap on the continue button and then you will proceed towards the other steps to enter your password. If you forget the password, tap on forget password link and then tap on the login button and you can easily log into Pinterest account. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.